this is Raman Gill. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today we'll take a look at a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. A bullish engulfing chart setup is an easy to identify setup, especially on a 1 hour chart, and it is a really high probability trade setup. It is again one of my favorite setups to trade. So let's go on to the charts. We'll take a look at what a bullish engulfing trade setup looks like, where to enter the trade, how to identify this trade setup, where to enter this,
Let's go into the chart.
Let's go into the charts and we'll take a look at how to identify this trade setup, where to enter the trade, where to place the stop loss, and as always, how to exit the trade with a profit. Here we're looking at a bullish engulfing trade setup. This is pound US dollar 1 hour chart. A bullish engulfing trade setup is where we have a bullish candle that engulfs the previous candle. So if we were to take this green candle here, this bullish candle, and we were to place it on top of this red candle here, it would totally overlap it. So this is called bullish engulfing trade setup, and this shows that the momentum has now shifted, whereas before sellers were in charge, now the buyers have stepped in and price is likely to move higher. So in this case, when we see this trade setup, we actually go long. So we are entering our trade long. Our stop would go below the pin here, just in case price decides to come and test this level once again. So enter the trade long, and as we can see, all we have here is green candle. So we continue on. And now we're looking for a reversal signal in the opposite direction to get out of the trade. And as we come into this support resistance area over here, we see that we have this pin bar here. So this is a good place for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 108 pips in the trade. So just to recap here, a bullish engulfing trade setup or bullish engulfing pattern is where we have a bullish candle that overlaps or engulfs the previous candle. This shows a change in momentum, and it shows that momentum has now shifted to being bullish now, whereas before sellers were in control. Now we have buyers in charge and price is likely to move higher. So we take an entry long at the close of this candle. Our stop would go below the pin here. We just want to make sure we give our trade enough room to breathe. And then we stay with the trade for as long as price is moving higher. Once we get into the next support and resistance area here, we see a pin bar in the opposite direction. That is a sign that price is likely to pull back or reverse direction, so we can exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 108 pips in our trade. So our profit is $1,080 when trading one standard lot. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you would like to see more great trade setups like this, I invite you to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. That's it for today. I will see you next time.